Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering ingredients. Use 2 cans, 5 oz each of tuna, drained, and 1 cup chopped celery for crunch. Chop 1 cup cucumber, 1/2 cup red bell pepper, and 2 tablespoon chopped parsley to add texture and color. Measure 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tsp Dijon mustard. These create a tangy dressing base. Also have 1/4 tsp salt, 1/8 tsp black pepper, and 1/4 cup. In a medium bowl, combine the drained tuna with 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tsp Dijon mustard. Mix gently to avoid shredding the tuna. Fold in 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup cucumber, 1/2 cup red bell pepper, 1/2 cup sliced red onion, and 2 tablespoon chopped parsley to distribute vegetables evenly. Season with 1/4 tsp salt and 1/8 tsp black pepper, then taste and adjust acidity or seasoning as needed. Chilling for 15 minutes melds flavors, but is optional. Serve the tuna vegetable salad on whole grain bread, in a lettuce cup, or over 3 cups of mixed greens for a lighter meal. Garnish each portion with 1 lemon wedge and 1 tsp extra parsley. Add 1 tablespoon capers or a few sliced olives if you like briny contrast. For make ahead, store the salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Discard after that time. When serving later, stir once and taste, adding a splash of lemon if needed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.